I literally cannot, I don't think I can physically look through all of these. Andy, this is one bin. We're going.
Huh?
This is one bin. Look at all these bins, bro.
This is fucking crazy.
All right, we are here at the Mids outlet in Hialeah, Florida. This is the outlet for the Mids market that we went to last weekend. They have like a per pound deal here, and as it goes later in the month, it gets cheaper. Today is the 13th, so I think I saw it's like $6 a pound right now. But at the end of the month, it's like $2 a pound for clothes. So hopefully we find some good stuff here, and we have our good friend Andy with us today. So, and hopefully they let me record in there. So let's take a look.
Oh, the store yesterday was nice.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Like, we were able to find some cool stuff, and like I wanted to keep like a bunch of stuff. It's very good for like personal shopping.
Yeah, that's for sure. There was a lot of stuff that I liked, but either it wasn't my size, or it was just like
A little more expensive. Yeah.
Easy shirt was $95.
How you doing? Okay, so it's the 13th today, so it's $6 a pound. Towards the end of the month? Okay, so cool. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. Yeah. You see women's hoodies. I'm gonna grab one of these. I didn't even have to bring my bag. Whatever, so I put everything. Holy cow, man.
What?
Just.
There was a guy yesterday with an AirPod, and he was just like sorting through things, like looking for shit. I was like,
Yeah, man.
System.
Yeah, there's people that they deal in just clothing, so they know already like what to look for. Especially like if you just like really like niche down.
Yeah.
They look like sweaters. This is like a stoner hoodie for sure. Made in Nepal. Look at this. This is definitely like a stoner hoodie.
Oh, look, Carhartt.
Carhartt?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, let me take a look. Oh, yeah. That's why it's here.
They had a lot of Carhartt yesterday.
Let me see. I'm gonna get away from hoodies because hoodies are heavy.
Also, I don't want.
I mean, Miami Heat hoodie. If it actually got cold here, this would be good. Let's see. Oh, these t-shirts. Okay. Dragon Ball Z Spirit Bomb.
This is a real SCV shirt. It's just kind of throw.
Yeah, like that's what happens. I hate that. Yeah, like this, like the yellow on the 7 kilo. It's kind of cool.
Is that Pac-Man?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It looks pretty good. Does it say Star Wars? If you see any MAGA stuff, apparently that sells.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, if this wasn't all fucked off, man.
That should be tore the fuck up.
Wow. That probably got put into like a washer with bleach. Yeah. Polo? Oh, yeah, man. Let me see. It's got a. Let's see. It is. Let's check it. Yeah, this is good. And this is XXL. It's like XL, like double XL, or like very good ones. Andy, this is one bin. We're going.
Huh?
This is one bin. Look at all these fucking bins, bro.
This is fucking crazy.
I literally cannot. I don't think I can physically look through all of these. Yeah, man. Sometimes shit really goes through the ringer.
No, people want to customize it.
Yeah, let me.
That's a big person size too. It's a double whammy.
2XL, huh?
This is Star Wars.
Ooh, Star Wars? Oh, with with Starry Night on it. It's a Starry Night
Oh, cool.
Star Wars.
Oh look,
And it's
glorious.
It's a women's.
Actually, it's kind of cute.
Let me see. That goes pretty hard actually. Because that's right, he did smile during his mugshot. Alright, I think I'm gonna move on to the next.
What do you think? Is it cute or not?
That's
What do you have for breakfast at Tiffany's?
I've never seen that movie, but I reckon. Yeah, like I've definitely seen like clips, and I recognize her. It's gonna cost you $3.
I'll put it in the maybe box.
Nostalgia does really well too. So
They had a sidekick too yesterday. I was like, ooh. He's like, you want it? I'm like, no, I had that shit when I came out. I'm like,
Patagonia? Yes. Check. Depends on how old it looks. There's like there's like holes. What do you think? Like you see it?
Yeah, I see.
I don't know.
Oh, Marley.
What is it? Marlin? Yeah. You're like, no, I have to do it. All right, you're right. You have no, yeah, go for it.
Oh, look at this.
South Miami United.
Disneyland Walt Disney World by Haynes. That's cute.
Let me see. Oh, that's like their spare jersey or whatever.
Their what?
It's the spare jersey.
Undershirt.
Oh,
It's what?
spare jersey. That's like, I think that's the style they call it. I don't know.
I don't like athlete shit.
I mean, you don't want it. Yeah, let me take a look.
I think you like cut off the sleeves, but
I mean, yeah, you can do whatever you want. As soon as you buy it, yeah. You could set it on fire right there.
oh, I'm not protesting Disney.
You see? It's only a medium? Wow. Yeah, this is one of the spare jerseys.
What?
Spirit. You know, like the Holy Spirit.
Why the fuck do they call it a spirit?
I don't fucking know. Yeah, it's pretty frayed too. Hard Rock Cafe Belize.
There was a Venice one that I found too.
Huh. Yeah, if it's like weird ones like internationally.
Serious?
Hard Rock Cafe Belize. Alright, hold on. Let me just. You know what? I'll take the chance on this one. Why not? Yeah, the ones. They're all kind of sweaters too. Actually, what is this? Weird.
This is super cute.
Nice. That is like a cool color.
And the material's cool too.
Well, you know all the little buttons work. Hold on, like.
Oh, dirty. Huh?
Yeah, this one.
That's called?
Yeah. That's cool.
Huh?
That's cool.
Let's get the medicine.
Oh, cool. Look at this Disney one. I can't find it, but it's like in good condition. I Can't believe it.
Oh, it's out of here.
That is real damp.
Yeah, when they're damp, it's a little gross.
Okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Yeah, I'm. Oh, cool. They got a. Yeah, I do. I do. How you doing? Yeah, we checked out the store last week, and he was telling me about the outlet. Yeah, and I'm like, gotta love a good bins, man.
How do you guys feel about the store?
I think it's only like $21. All right, I'm not gonna look anymore. I'm not looking anymore, man. It's ridiculous. Oh, comic books. All right.
Ready?
Yes. There.
Go ahead and place them here.
There we go.
Alright, so your total's gonna be $19.26.
All right. Here, man, and I have a QR code for our social media. So, yeah, if you want to check it out.
So you're gonna see my work.
All right, what's your name?
Edward.
Edward. Charles. Nice to meet you.
Charles. Andy. Nice to meet you guys.
All right, thank you so much. Cheers. Bye. All right, so the Mids outlet was a success. The place was huge. To look through everything, I had to spend literally the entire day there. I feel confident that Andy and I at least went through 70% of the t-shirts. So we were able to find a good amount of things to actually flip for a profit, especially at the price we were getting them at. Came out to a little less than $3 a shirt, so pretty decent profit margins on that. And it was a lot of fun. The staff was very friendly. And even though things were in bins, everything was very organized. Like pants were over here and like jeans were over here, t-shirts here, hoodies here. We'll definitely be going back there. And next time we'll have Brittany with us. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we hope that you enjoyed this week's video. Well, let's see what we flip next week.